Mama.
Do you want to taste?
No.
Di siya. Oh my gosh. Hello everyone. Ako di ay si Martha. I'm taking over the vlog. Hello everyone, my name is Margaret. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe. Please don't forget to subscribe by tapping on the subscribe button and the notification bell to show your support. Do you want to join me? Today, Martha will be taking over as requested by Flip. Shout out Flip.
1, 2, 3.
My darling, I love you, 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 I l
Oh, you can't be seen. You need to go back a bit. Here, you stay here. Here. See? You stay here. Hurry up! So today, I'll be tasting MACOPA for the very first time. So if you notice, bago na nga atong palibot. We actually moved from Lapu-Lapu City to Argao. Recently, just I think a week ago. Hi, Kitty! So, if you don't know me, my name is Martha. The alter ego of Margrethe. Okay, so I'm here to show you the MACOPA that I bought. This is 60 pesos for one pack, and I bought it because I saw this Let's Eat Argao na Facebook group. And this is going to be my first time tasting MACOPA. It actually looks like tambis, only longer and bigger. O para ba nihugasan? Ako sa nihugasan, guys. Alright, so nahugasan na nato ang MACOPA. Have you eaten this before, Kiddy?
No.
No. Okay, so me too. So, I'm not sure if dapat pa niya siya ablihan una because that's what I do before sa tambis, but lisod man siya tungaon. Ingkit na lang guro ta dito. Lahi dyan siya unod. Lahi ang texture sa yung lahi ang texture sa yung unod. Ikit-kit ni mo. Medyo soft. Soft and smooth. Medyo rough ang tambis sa akong ma-remember ha. Kay since childhood na mo. Since gamay pa mi. Sige, gikukat-kat sa tambis na mo. So, MACOPA is really different. Lahi yung texture. Ang lasa is different. Hey! Shh! Lahi ang ihang lasa sad. Dili po siya same sa apple o texture lahi sad. Mura siya gapason na dili po siya tamis na same sa apple. Lahi, lisod i-describe ang ihang lasa. And compared sa tambis, of course, mas daghan siya unod. You want to taste? And the seed is naasa tumoy, this ubos. Di ba, Kidi? Igingkit na ko, I somehow taste that rose, kanang roasty gani. More siyag na ay buwak na rose ug lasa, guys. Ambot na nga basin weird. Mura kog naihas, pero actually mo lagi first time na ko muka og MACOPA. So if di na mo mag-order, let's eat Argao na Facebook group. Nabaguhan ko sa iyang lasa, weirduhan ko sa iyang lasa, pero dako siya in fairness. Dugay ka mahurot. Ang iyang liso, okay. Iyang liso, compared sa tambis, nipilit gyud siya sa fruit. Ang katong tambis usahay imo i-shake, maguyog man, mauyog naman nimo ang seed from the fruit. Pero kani pilit gyud siya sa fruit. Ang liso sa MACOPA. My God. So dagan kay kog bagong experiences diri sa Argao, no? Aside from eating the MACOPA for the first time, we spoke with Chivanians, skimboarders at Lawis Point. I want to learn skimboarding, but I'm afraid basin daghan gyud kog pangus while learning it. So skip sa tadi ang dapita. I went back to free diving, and I think you saw my previous vlog. Kauban ako ang mga Southside free divers, community members na silang Albert and Mawix. Both are Spiros, and I think you also saw the huge fishes that they caught na among gilarang after, although wala ko naka-video sa larang kay may kugta na sila sa balay maapil ang ubang tao niya, may kugta. So ipadapin sa natong banks ni Martha. Morning MACOPA.
No, Mama.
You want to taste?
No.
Di siya.
No, Mama.
If you're asking where I bought this wig, it was on sale last month sa Shopee. It cost 200 pesos only. And if you want to know the shop, I can put the link in the description box. Medyo I need time to adjust to the taste of this fruit. I have never tasted any fruit like this before, so inahan mo. Again, I can put the seller's name in the description box. I still need to ask if she's willing to give her phone number if you want to taste MACOPA. But then again, thank you so much, Flip, for requesting Martha to appear in Margrette's vlog. Grabe, dagko kayo. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Around 11 pieces in one pack if you buy MACOPA for 60 pesos, which I don't really see everywhere. Seldom ra ni makitaan. Unlike sa tambis, which is a bit common. So, ato na iso gamay kay sikat kayong tubig da. Sikat kayong tubig. So, muna siya guys. This is my very first indoor vlog, I think. Diri sa Argao. And if you have any friends who's from here or who has a business from Argao, let me know. I can help in promoting them for free. Sabot-sabot lang. I actually vlogged already Street Side Bistro and OJ's Torta recently. Kadako. Ooh, thumbnail. So, tukuan yun. And also, Narkis Pizza and Other Delights. Pizza! So, ginoo ko dagko. Kani medyo na sa paghulog ni siya kay sa una tig kat man ko stambisa na mo and mang kuhit if mahog nga ni good. Madisbeauty good siya pero of course tugasan lang it would still taste the same.
Yucky.
Yeah. Dagkuas makupo eh. Ooh, kitty.
Huh?
Have you eaten this before?
No.
No, lagi. Uy, ganina. Nagkuspunta na balik-balik. Right? So, I guess that's going to be it. Thank you again, Flip, for requesting Martha to appear in Margrette's vlogs. And thank you so much sa nagbaligya og MACOPA. I have finally tasted MACOPA for the very first time in my life. And I can say it's a good experience because di na ko maihason sa iyang lasa. Thank you so much for watching this video and I hope to see you on my next vlog. Thank you so much for your support. Please don't forget to subscribe by tapping on the subscribe button below and tapping on the notification bell so that you will be aware of new uploads. Thank you so much once again. Thank you so much once again for your support. See you in my next vlog, lovies. Bye!
1, 2, 3.
Funky. My darling, I love you.